This is definitely one of the flakiest and most delicious steamed fish I've ever had in a long time. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Misha's Corner and let's make fish in foil packet. Now, this recipe is pretty forgiving. You can use the fish you prefer, but I just wanted to use snappers today. They looked good in the supermarket and they were also on sale, and so I got some. I have asparagus and my seasoning, tarragon, butter, garlic, and lemon. Now, you guys know you got to prep your asparagus. I usually cut over the rubber band, and that's how I gauge it because the end parts are pretty woody, so you want to be careful with that. So just cut off the end parts that looks really woody and you're good to go. So I rinsed them up and pat dry them just like this right here. Again, just make sure you clean it up and you're good to go. Next, I'm going to chop up my garlic. I'm going to use a lot of garlic on the fish and the asparagus. So, yeah. Am I the only one that can't eat overcooked asparagus? I can actually eat it raw. I do not like overcooked like asparagus. I could not digest it. I don't know if it's me or if what's the problem. It's a texture thing for me, but I can't overcook it, you guys. So just cook the asparagus to your liking, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. So I'm going to season the asparagus with lemon zest, garlic, everything but the bagel seasoning, and a little bit of oil. You can add salt if you want. I have to watch my salt, but just make sure you season to taste. This is what it looks like, nice and seasoned. This is my beautiful snapper, and you just want to drizzle it with a little oil so your seasoning could have somewhere to go. I'm going to add fresh garlic, fresh tarragon. I love tarragon on seafood or fish. What's your guys' favorite seafood, by the way? What fish do you like to eat? All right, and then I'm going to add the everything but the bagel seasoning. This was new for me, but I wanted to do it and give it a try. I know someone's looking at the screen right now like, what is she doing? But it was good, and I would do it again, and I'm suggesting that you guys do it too. At the end of the day, everything but the bagel seasoning is just sesame seeds, garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Is literally almost nothing. So, but it added a really, really nice touch to the fish. Blended it with the lemon zest, the lemon, and the tarragon. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle on my lemon juice all over top everything. And then I'm also going to put a tablespoon of butter on top, and then I'm going to roll it up. So next, I'm going to put it in the air fryer at about 370 for about 12 minutes. And then I'm going to check it. And I was able to fit both of them in there because, I wrapped it nice and snug after. And yeah, so right here, I'm putting it on 370 for 12 minutes. I checked it. I took a little peeksy peek. And I realized that my asparagus was still a tad underdone, even though I'm fine with that, but I still wanted it to cook some more. So I put it in for another 8 minutes. Y'all know you put anything in the air fryer for 8 minutes and it's cooked. But in this situation, it's different. So in total, it was 370 for 20 minutes. Every air fryer is different, so just make sure you keep an eye on it. Also, I had 2 packets in there, so, I'm thinking if it's only one serving, the 12 minutes would have been enough. And so this is what it looks like. It smells so good. The tarragon, the garlic, the lemon, you smell all of it. And now you're just going to pick up the juices from the bottom and just pour it over top and enjoy. It was flaky. It was delicious. We didn't kill it with a bunch of seasoning, but the freshness from what we did use came through, and it was really, really good. Again, you can make this with any fish you prefer. You can actually make this with chicken as well, but the time will probably change for chicken. So just make sure, just follow the directions on your air fryer, and you're good to go. This is the asparagus. It's not overcooked. It's still nice and bright green. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, or this recipe. Tag me. Let me know what you think. If you make it, take pictures and tag me so I can repost you. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.